Welcome to AI and Automation Insights, where we make sense of the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence without requiring a PhD or a decoder ring. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as important as it is misunderstood: the main limitations of AI and the clever, practical ways experts are working to overcome them. Did you know that a whopping 85% of AI projects stumble and fall flat, often because of data challenges? That's right. As powerful as AI is, it's not magic, and it's certainly not perfect. Let's pull back the curtain and see what's really going on behind those glowing screens. First up, let's talk about data bias, a sneaky issue that can trip up even the smartest algorithms. Imagine teaching a robot to recognize fruit, but you only show it pictures of apples. When you hand it a banana, it's going to be very confused and possibly a little offended. But this isn't just a fruit salad problem. In the real world, biased data can lead to unfair hiring tools, faulty medical diagnoses, or even self-driving cars that can't recognize pedestrians equally well. Bias worms its way in at three main levels: the dataset, the algorithm, and the goals we set for our AI systems. So what are people doing about it? For starters, teams are getting serious about auditing their data. Think of it as a regular checkup, but for your training sets. Diverse teams are reviewing datasets to spot hidden biases before they become big problems. Developers are also using fairness-aware algorithms. These are special tools designed to catch and correct bias as the AI learns. And crucially, there's a growing emphasis on making sure the data itself represents the full spectrum of real-world diversity. The more perspectives you include, the fairer your AI becomes. Now let's tackle the next big hurdle: interpretability, or as it's often called, the black box problem. Have you ever asked an AI for an answer and thought, wait, how did it come up with that? You're not alone. Many AI systems are so complex that even their creators can't always explain their decisions. This lack of transparency can be a real deal-breaker, especially in critical sectors like healthcare, finance, or criminal justice, where understanding the why behind a decision is just as important as the answer itself. Enter explainable AI, or XAI for short. These are tools and techniques designed to shine a light inside the black box, making AI decisions more transparent and understandable. With XAI, developers can trace a decision back through the layers of the algorithm, seeing which data points were most influential. This not only builds trust with users, but also helps catch errors and prevent unintended consequences. It's like having a helpful tour guide inside your AI, ready to explain every twist and turn. But even the most transparent AI in the world is only as good as the data it's trained on. And that brings us to our third limitation: dependence on data. AI systems crave data. The way some people crave coffee, lots of it, and preferably high quality. But collecting enough representative, accurate data isn't always easy. Sometimes the data just doesn't exist. Other times, privacy concerns make it tricky to gather everything you need. So what's the solution? Teams are getting creative. Improved data annotation is one approach. Think of it as giving your data a detailed set of labels, so the AI knows exactly what it's looking at. Privacy-preserving AI is another game changer, using techniques like federated learning or differential privacy to train models without ever exposing sensitive information. And in many cases, the best results come from hybrid models that combine the strengths of AI with good old human expertise. When in doubt, a bit of human in the loop can make all the difference, catching errors and adding context that a machine might miss. Let's recap. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. Bias can sneak in if we're not careful, so regular data audits and diverse teams are essential. The black box problem makes it hard to trust AI decisions, but explainable AI is helping to open things up. And while AI depends on mountains of data, new techniques are making it possible to train smarter, safer models, even when data is scarce or sensitive. But here's the thing. Overcoming these limitations isn't just a technical challenge, it's a human one. It takes collaboration, creativity, and a willingness to ask tough questions. The future of AI depends on all of us, not just the folks in lab coats or behind keyboards. The more we understand these challenges, the better equipped we'll be to build AI systems that are fair, transparent, and truly useful. So what do you think? Is bias the biggest challenge for AI? Or is it the mysterious black box? Or maybe the endless hunger for data? Or is there another hurdle you think deserves more attention? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your insights in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Because the more we talk about these issues, the smarter our AI and our world will become. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the twists and turns of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, even the smartest AI needs a little human wisdom to guide it. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI and automation insights.